Hey everyone, it's Felisa here. So today I'm gonna talk about knee pain. So if you've been stretching, foam rolling, using massage guns, and your knees still click, grind, or ache after long days or travel, this video is for you. You are not broken, you are not lazy, and no, it's not just your age. Today I'm going to show you why conventional fixes haven't worked for you and work actually does work. Most of my high performing clients over 40 have tried all of this: foam rolling, stretching, smashing their quads with a massage gun, even resting it for weeks, and also rehab generic seats that are not personalized. So all these things work. But here is the thing, none of them actually fix the real problem. These methods really help treating the symptoms. So it helps treating the tightness, the soreness, the inflammation. It helps alleviating the pain, but the pain is going to come back if you don't fix the real issue. So here's what I see all the time. The glutes aren't firing. So have you heard of the lazy glutes? So basically we move without using our body correctly. Also, the core is switched off. This happens a lot. That's why I coach people to breathe out and squeeze the belly and the glutes automatically at the same time in every single movement that they do in the gym. So later in their normal life, they just do it automatically. Slowly, they keep adding it into their normal movement. Also, posture is collapse. And that makes a huge difference, having a good posture or a bad posture, especially during a whole day. It's like we're not moving just when we are in the gym. We are all the time moving, and we depend on posture and our muscles to support our body. So what happens? Well, your knees start doing the work your hips and your glutes were meant to do. And that overload leads to clicking, grinding, and pain. Daily habits add pressure. It's not what we do in 1 hour in the gym, it's what we do the rest of the day. So most people don't realize that every single daily habits that we are doing are quietly adding pressure. So for example, sitting all day in a poor position. So when you sit, make sure your feet are straight under your knees, not a little bit behind your knees, even if you can, a little bit more forward, but not behind your knees. For example, standing up without using your glutes. So when you stand up, make sure that you are in the right position, that your glutes are firing, your belly is in. It doesn't need to be like 100% like firing, but that it has to be like a 10% working and is supporting your body. Also, when we climb up and down stairs, I coach people to go up and down the stairs, not using just the knees or the quads, but using the glutes instead. And also, it's a good muscle to strengthen the quads, the vastus medius, which is very important to support the knee and stabilize the knee. So if you are going up the stairs with momentum, but not using the muscles, that's when the knees take the hit. And that's what I fix with the Movehability Method. So the solution is not doing another stretch. And yes, you can use the gun to relax your muscles, the foam roller to help, go to a physio or go to have a massage. So all that works, but that's not going to fix the problem. And what it does is training your body to support itself properly. Reactivating the glutes and the core, using your glutes, your hips, your core, your joint, creating joint stability, strengthen all the stabilizers and the muscles that support your body from within. Also, using smarter movement patterns that is going to reduce strain. Basically, movement smarter. And yes, this can be done in just 90 minutes a week. So if you are over 40, you are juggling work, travel, and family, and you tried every program but still have pain, low energy, or you have some stubborn weight that you need to lose, the Movehability Method was built exactly for you. So if you feel like you're dealing with all this, that this sounds like you, I offer a free consultation where we figure out what's really going on and how to fix it properly. Plus, we do a custom plan that fits your lifestyle. So you don't need more willpower. You need really a smarter approach. So just book the consultation. The link is in my bio, or you can find it on the comments just around this post. Thank you for watching, and if this helped, please leave a comment or send me a message, and if you like it, follow me and for more. See you soon.